Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch an M4 competition. First, ensure your vehicle is on a closed course or a safe, open area, free from traffic and obstacles. It is crucial to understand the M4 competition's powerful engine and advanced systems before attempting a launch. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the car's interior and controls. Before engaging launch control, proper preparation is key. Drive the car for at least 10 to 15 minutes to bring the engine and transmission fluids to their optimal operating temperatures. Next, select the Sport Plus driving mode, which sharpens throttle response and gear shifts. Finally, briefly press the Dynamic Stability Control button once to deactivate traction control. Now let's activate launch control. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Then, push the gear selector forward into the drive position. You should see a message on your instrument cluster, typically stating Launch Control Active, confirming the system is ready. This indicates the car is prepared for maximum acceleration from a standstill. With launch control active, it's time for the launch. While still holding the brake, press the accelerator pedal fully to the floor. The engine will rev to its optimal launch RPM, usually around 3,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. Then, smoothly and quickly release the brake pedal. The car will accelerate with incredible force, so maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.